some fun. Throw away the word to be done.
Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today we are in the Rayong province by the ocean here in Thailand.
You gotta lose yourself in wild romance. Going to party, carnival, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. We're going to party, carnival, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. All night long, all night long.
Today I am taking the ladies to go eat some seafood by the sea. We're at a place here called Mong Muk, and we've eaten here plenty of times before. Really good seafood. Let's go see what's on the menu.
Life is good, it's wild and sweet. Let the music play on. Feel it in your heart and feel it in your soul. Let the music take control. We go to party, lightning, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along.
Well, very nice view here. Very nice breeze, very windy. I don't have my microphone on today. Sorry. But we're gonna have some good food with an awesome view. And we have a fish cake, a fish patty, whatever you want to call it. It is very awesome. Fish patty, fish cake.อร่อยไหมอร่อยมากอร่อยมากแซ่บราดAnd that's what you come here for right there. That looks great. And we've got sea bass, Rakapong, in Thai. Sai Manao. Nung Manao, which means it is a steamed sea bass with Manao, which is a lime. a spicy oyster salad here, very spicy. If you guys ever make your way to Rayong, there's a lot of good restaurants in Rayong. But there's a lot of good places to stay. We've actually stayed here quite a few times. You can check out on the No Time to Be Sad channel. A lot of good places to eat along this little strip. Couple of cool bars, but seafood is really good in Rayong and very, very reasonably priced. It's not really a touristy area, so everything's kind of cheap. Spicy salad, shell, oyster shell, clam. Well guys, I don't know about you, but I am extremely full right now. Actually, it was a perfect amount of seafood. I hope if you guys get a chance to come to Rayong, Thailand, that you come to this restaurant. All the links will be in the description box of this video. There's a lot of cool places up and down here to check out also. And if you want a Thai style little beach kind of outing or vacation, try Rayong. Okay guys, gonna end the video. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of No Time to Be Hungry. I hope you come back. I hope you've subscribed to the channel, and I really hope you come here and check out the restaurant here in Rayong. A lot of cool things to see out here. A lot of cool little places to eat, shop. Yeah, cool place. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.